Recently, a Turkish lady asked me a question who lives in South East London. She accepted Ahmadiyya, and she said, why are the other Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr in 3 days and we Ahmadiyya celebrate only in 1 day? We just have
why other Muslims are celebrating Eid in 3 days while we Ahmadis celebrate in 1 day?
They don't celebrate for 3 days. Everywhere, the Eid is celebrated for 1 day, which is this Eid. But the other Eid al-Adha is celebrated for 3 days continuously. So she doesn't know the difference between the Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. They're two different things. Eid al-Fitr, this is after Ramadan. It is universally celebrated on one single day. But Eid al-Adha is celebrated because the sacrifices are slaughtered at different days according to the people's convenience. You understand? But didn't you answer her?
Yes, I did, but
the same as I said? Maybe.
In especially Arab country and in our country, Eid al-Fitr celebrated in 3 days, and the other one.
But ask them why, because we have no official evidence, recorded evidence of this fact from the time of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. They have started doing it themselves. So we have to ask them. They have no right to ask us. Can I? Also in Palestine they do the same, 3 days?
Yes, but these people only for to get more holidays because normal other religions.
That is a different story. You have as many holidays as you like.
Yeah.
I have no objection against that. Oh, please.